Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to see you again. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel once again. I know there are a lot of videos out there that talk about how good pig farming is, but they do not talk about the challenges that pig farmers go through. So in today's video, we are going to talk about 3 major challenges that pig farmers go through and how you'll be able to overcome them. My name is Grace Stephen, and if today is your first time of coming across our channel, consider subscribing and put on your notification bell so that you will not miss any of our videos. So if you are a pig farmer or you are just curious about knowing the process, then you are at the right place. So stay with me whilst I take you through the challenges that pig farmers go through. Challenge number 1, the high cost of building pig pen. One of the major challenges that pig farmers go through is the high cost of building a sustainable pig pen. You cannot just keep pigs at any place. Pigs require a very strong housing or a pen, and building such a pen comes with a lot of burden or a lot of financial expenses. Whether you are going for the IMO structure or the concrete system, they all come with a lot of expenses, which is one of the challenges that pig farmers go through. So pigs need a very strong home that have enough space, that have proper ventilation so that they can easily move around. And also as pigs they like breaking things, so if you don't have a strong room, then whatever you have built within some short period of time, to break it, your structure will be on the floor. That is why you need a strong building to house your pigs. And building good structure comes with a lot of cost or a lot of expenses, which is a big challenge for pig farmers. Constructing this, you need items like sand, cement, wood, you need roofing sheets, and labor, and a lot of other expenses that make constructing this to be very expensive. To overcome this challenge, as a pig farmer, you have to plan and budget very well and know the exact amount that you are going to use to build a pen, and then some of the costs that you can actually cut down, because some of the items you can find them in the environment. So instead of say you are going to use an amount of money to buy sand, you can actually go into your environment and fetch sand from some places that you think there are sand that they are not using. Alright, so you can actually go to an environment and fetch sand at those corners and then use it to do your pig building. You don't have to be buying everything, which will put a lot of burden on you. Also, some items like the wood, you can also improvise. If you don't have enough money to go and buy from the store, why not cut down any tree? I'm not promoting deforestation anyway, but if there are some trees in your area that you think they can help you, why not cut them? Also, you can also use bamboo to help you as you construct your pig structure so that your expenses will not go high. Challenge number 2 is the high cost of feed. So pigs actually require enough balanced diet to be able to grow very well, and getting some of this feed is very expensive, especially the premix, the soya beans, the fish meal, and all the vitamins. Everything is just expensive. So feed is also another major challenge for pig farmers. And you cannot just give any type of feed to pigs and then want to get better result at the end. If you want your pigs to grow well, for you to grow fast, to grow strong and healthy, then you have to get them the required nutrients or the required feed at the right time, because every stage of the pig needs a different type of feed. You cannot give the same feed that you give to your mature pigs to your small pigs or your piglets. So every pig at a specific time or a specific age need different type of feed. So pig feed is also another huge challenge that pig farmers go through. Also, the weather condition, transportation, and so many factors, they come together to make the prices of this feed to rise up. It's a big challenge to pig farmers. So to tackle this challenge, pig farmers must reduce their feed costs by connecting with local suppliers. Go to your environment and look for people that supply the same thing that you want from the market locally. When you go to the environment, it will be easy for you to get it at lower prices than going to the market to buy those items. Or you can also explore other avenues of feed. Or you can also get a land and plant some of them as maize, soya beans, and those ones that you can easily plant why not plant them so that it will make your feeding cost reduce, which will help you in your pig farming. I'm not in any way saying that you should go for cheap feeds or you should go for inferior feed, but I'm trying to say that you can also cultivate some of these feed items or in your personal farm, so that you will not be buying everything. You plant some of these things so that you will not buy everything from the market. Challenge number 3 is the high cost of breed. I mean, you have a lot of type of pigs in the system, and before you start your farm, you have to ask yourself that, what do I want from my farm? Are you going to sell the piglets? Are you going to sell the pigs? Are you going to sell the meat? Whatever you want, you need the right breed to start your farm. And getting the right breed comes with a whole lot of cost. In fact, different breeds have different characteristics. Some are resistant to disease, some are very strong, some grew very fast. So you have to know the type of animal that you want in your farm, and then you go for the right one, which will help you to attain your goal or the aim of your farm. And you know, acquiring those breeds comes with a lot of expenses, and also transportation cost is also another thing, because let's say you have gotten the breeder right and you are buying it. Well, you are buying it from a place that is far from you. Transportation cost is going to be another big challenge to you. To overcome this challenge, as a pig farmer, you have to do a lot of research about different type of breed, whether the breed will be able to adjust to your environmental condition, because there are some places that are very hot and certain breeds will not be able to stay at those places. So you have to check or do your research to see if this particular breed is good for my environment before you go for it. If not, you go for the breed and bring it to environment, and it will not be able to give you the result that you want at the end. But at different environments, it will be able to do properly. And also, because acquiring a matured pig is very expensive, you can also collaborate with the local breeders so that you can get piglets, because the price of piglets is far lower than the price of matured pigs. So why not come together with the local breeders so that when their pig gives birth, then you can buy piglets from them. Pig farming can be rewarding, but it is not without challenges. From high cost of building pig pens to the expensive feed and quality pig breeds, pig farmers face financial obstacles in their journey of pig farming. However, with careful budgeting, planning and exploring other cost-effective avenues, pig farmers become successful in the industry by overcoming these challenges. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful or have any questions, make sure you leave your comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on farming and agriculture. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.